All right, I'm back with the seeds that I have opened, and I want to show you these two different kinds of seeds. This is one of the kinds of seeds, and this is the other kind of seeds. What do you notice about them? They look really, really different. I was actually super surprised when I opened these marigold seeds because I had never seen them before. And I've seen basil, and that's what a seed looks like to me. That's what I thought seeds all would look like. Little, kind of round. And then I opened and I saw this, and I couldn't believe it. It's like straight and skinny. And I'm noticing it has black on the bottom and then like a white part on the top. I was so surprised that the seeds were that different. So I learned something new today too. So the big ones are the marigold seeds and the little ones are the basil seeds. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pick up my basil seeds, make a tiny little hole. Not very much. Remember, they only need to go 1/8 of an inch. That's itty, itty, bitty. And I'm gonna cover it up very carefully. Okay? Now I've already put the other ones in, but I'm gonna put some marigolds in here. Put my seeds in. These big seeds. Okay, cover those up. They need a little bit more dirt on top, so I might actually take some from in my container, sprinkle it on top. Okay, so it has its soil. I'm gonna put more in this one. Okay, and what was the second thing that they need to grow? Do you remember? Here's a clue. Water. Right, so now that I've covered them all up, I need to water them. What do you think would happen if I put a big cup of water and I just poured it in? Why do you think I'm using this little spray bottle instead? Thinking about what would happen. These are itty bitty shells. And if I put a bunch of water in, what would happen? I'm thinking if I did that, it would probably pour out everywhere and that my seeds would pour out too. So this is gonna be an easier way for me to keep them nice and wet. All right, so they have their soil, they have their water. Now, what was the third thing that they need to grow? Soil, water, and I'll give you a clue. Can't see it. It's behind the clouds. It's still a clue though. You need sun. So I'm gonna put these inside my house in a sunny spot, and we are going to take a look at them. Every day I'll take a look at them and take a little picture, and you let me know when you start to see them coming out. Do you remember what the big word was? It was 3, germinate. Germinate. When the seeds start to germinate, the little plants come out. So I wonder, will the basil seeds come out first or the marigolds? Our paper says that marigolds are 10 to 14 days and the basil is 10 to 15 days. So that is very similar. We will have to keep track. I'll put the basil over here so we know what it is, and the marigolds over here. All right, guys, I can't wait to see what happens.